In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add checklist in Microsoft Planner. A checklist is a simple way to break one task into smaller, trackable items, so you can mark progress as you go and make sure nothing gets missed. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to your plan. In this example, you will be entering a plan that is already set up, so you can work from the main board view where your task buckets and task cards appear. Give the page a moment to load fully so all tasks display correctly. Next, click on the task card where you want to add a checklist. When you select the task, it will open the Task Details panel. This panel is where you can edit everything related to that task, including notes, assignments, due dates, and the checklist area we need. Now in the Task Details, locate the Checklist section. Click into the Checklist input area to begin adding items. Type the first checklist item you want to track, then confirm it so it appears as a separate line in the checklist. As you add items, keep each one short and action-focused, like a single deliverable or a clear next step. This makes it easier to scan and check off quickly later. Continue adding more checklist items in the same way, one at a time. Each new item you confirm will appear directly beneath the previous one. Planner will automatically format them as checkboxes, which is helpful for progress tracking. As you complete work, you can return to this same panel and click the checkbox next to any item to mark it as done. This updates your visible progress inside the task. Finally, review your checklist to make sure the items are in a logical order. A good tip is to list them in the sequence you plan to complete them, since that makes the task easier to follow when you come back to it later. Once your checklist is added, you can simply close the Task Details panel. Your checklist is saved automatically with the task. That covers everything you need to know.